What's up, guys? Martina here. I have a Homemaxs toilet brush and holder set. So it's going to be a pack of two toilet brush cleaners or holders, whatever you want to call them. It will come closed. Obviously, I've pre-assembled these. Very easy to put them together. You basically just like screw the pieces in. Super simple. I won't even get into that. But I'm really loving these little toilet scrubbies. So overall, the base here, it's almost like a silicone. So I feel like when you have kind of that like scrubby texture like on other ones, you end up getting like toilet paper stuck in them and it's like less sanitary. So definitely liking this for sanitation purposes. Very much easier to clean up. But then also the base of the holder, you can basically unscrew that, which makes it super easy to clean these out as well. So sanitation is key in these products. So loving that. Plus it's got an extra long handle on these. So if you have back problems or just want a little bit of distance from the toilet, that is great as well. Both of these are identical, so same goes for the other one as well. And just a great value pack. So definitely check these out. Great addition to your bathroom.